Today's recipe is good as gold. It may start with a box cake mix, but it ends with layer upon layer of a to-die-for from-scratch taste that'll make you feel like a star baker. Howard shows us how to make his bakery-style Italian cream cake in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
I have a neighbor who's a plumber, and a while back he helped me fix a leaky faucet. When I asked him what I owed him, he said, "Don't worry, just make me a dessert sometime and we'll call it even, since you know how much I love sweets." So after thinking about what to make, this easy Italian-inspired layer cake came to mind. To make it, we start by beating a box of white cake mix with some eggs, buttermilk, and oil. After that's mixed, we stir in a good amount of coconut and chopped pecans. And rather than making this just 2 layers, we made it into 3 so that each layer is nice and delicate. While they bake and cool, we mix together some store-bought cream cheese frosting with more chopped pecans. At this point, it's time to drizzle some rum over each layer before frosting it. After all 3 layers have been stacked, all that's left to do is frost the sides and top. Maybe garnish it with a few pecans. What you end up with is a simple but elegant cake that's just as welcome after some homemade manicotti as it is with a tall glass of milk. To get the recipe for our Italian cream cake, all you have to do is check out our website. Let me tell you, my neighbor loved his cake so much that every time I see him, he hints for me to make him another. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a sweeter way for you to say, "Ooh, it's so good."
Gotta love a good Italian cream cake. You can find this recipe along with a lot more good food from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen online. Just go to our website at KOAMnewsnow.com.